Hey there, Chef Jeff here at White Apron Catering in Lake Worth. Today we're doing an episode of our Plating Like a Pro. We're going to do a pear and blue cheese salad with a little prosciutto and some arugula. The only other little fun thing I have for you today is I've got these little balsamic flavor pearls. These are too fun. Love them. And what they are is they're a little molecular gastronomy, so to speak, but they're just little, it's balsamic vinegar with, done up with the gelatin, and so they look like little balsamic caviars. Very fun. Not necessarily, you can certainly do some of the balsamic glaze or even just a balsamic vinaigrette if you'd rather, but again, if you're doing this, you might as well have some fun with it. They're available, specialty shops or gourmet shops. They should have those. Other than that, I've got some pear. I've got some nice prosciutto that I sliced up, a nice soft creamy blue cheese, and some baby arugula. So I say let's go ahead and get started. With the pear, we're just going to take like about a half a pear per person. So we're going to take one of these, and we're going to slice that and give it like nice 3 easy slices. And go ahead and take the take that center core out. That's number one. We don't really want to eat that center core. And number two, it's going to give you a nice flat area for it to sit on. So we'll take that. And then on these, because I want them to stand up a certain way, I'm just going to even that out. And then they sit nice and flat. So go ahead and do that. Look at that. So those are going to sit nice and flat there. And I say we're ready to start plating. So pick whatever plate that you want that's nice and fun. And we're going to take these, and with a little spoon, we're going to take a little bit of the blue cheese and put a nice little dab on each pear, and it'll stay right on there. But you see how creamy this is? This is beautiful. It goes so well with the pear like that. And then we're going to take a little bundle of some of this baby arugula. And we don't need a lot, just a couple pieces on each one. But we're going to take and do a little bundle on each one. I mean, sometimes it's not cooperative, but I think we can make that work. Like I said, you only need a couple little pieces on each one. How about that? Now we're ready for the prosciutto. We've got some nice little prosciutto, so it's thin, nice and beautiful and thin. And we're just going to give it a little fold on there. And again, just make it so it sticks on there, beautiful. Alrighty, and then we'll take these, and we're just going to set them right on the plate, and we're just about done. And see how they sit? Because we nipped that end off, they sit nice and flat. And then we're going to take some of our balsamic pearls. And just do a nice little pile on top of each one. And these, when they pick them up and eat them, are going to give them that beautiful little balsamic to go with the blue cheese and the prosciutto and the pear. Gorgeous. Chef Jeff here at White Apron Catering. Here's one of our pear and blue cheese salads. This is gorgeous. I hope you have fun with this. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and like and subscribe and let us know what you think.